guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're gonna be installing 1,000 starlights on my single cab. So basically, if you want to do 1,000 starlights on your single cab and you don't, basically you want to see what it looks like and you want to see how it's done, I'm gonna basically show y'all how you do this, the way to do this. Different other ways you can do this, but the way I do it, you know what I'm talking about? This looks weird as shit. I don't have any starlights. How the, you know what I'm talking about? So I'm basically guide you guys on how to do this shit. Basically, first and foremost, don't lose all the bolts, bro. You do lose all the bolts, your fucking interior looks like shit, and it just all looks shit. So make sure you keep everything organized. Make sure you know where everything goes, because if you don't know where nothing goes, then vales verga. You vales una puta mierda. So now I'm not gonna be changing the headliner simply because I do have some great accents in here, and I don't want to just have my headliner black and a couple parts black, and I don't want to spray paint none of this shit. So we're just gonna leave it out of this and just put the starlights, 1,000 lights on a single cab. That's crazy, bro. What the hell? We're gonna make them all fit. It's gonna look fucking amazing, and I'm gonna show you guys where to put them, because you guys, whenever you do the starlights, say for example up here, you'll be missing all this right here. I'm put them all right in here, all the back there and stuff like that. So basically where to colocarlos and how to divide them. So let's go. What you guys want to do first and foremost, take all these off. These caps right here, these have bolts. Oh, I don't know what the fuck, I got a speaker up there. You're gonna take this off and disconnect the lights. Take this one off, that one off, and the ones in the back off. Those right there. There's two. And you don't really have to take that one off, just have it loose simply so the headliner can come off. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so basically we're gonna take these off and to librar el headliner, and then we're gonna take the sun visor off to librar basically whatever's stuck up here, and disconnect anything that's literally up here para que no tengan pedos a la chingada, para que no anden mamando la verga que ay, Adal didn't tell me how to do this. Adal told you la verga. Make sure you get you like a little like pick like this. Look at this shit. Para que no anden batallando la chingada. It's like a little like pointy ass motherfucking shit. For you to take all this shit off, because mostly all this is just like clips on type shit. Y para que no anden ahí batallando la verga. Para que otra vez no digan, Adal told me. Adal didn't tell you shit. Basically, we got 3 bolts up here. 1, 2, 3, and this motherfucker comes right off. Alright, bye. Alright, you guys, we got the headliner out. Look at that. Ahí está, como ven. Now the easiest part is pretty much poking holes, lining everything up, and gluing the headliner. Now 1,000 holes is a lot of holes, so hopefully I'll be done by tonight. If not, then tomorrow morning we should be pretty much done. And we're gonna be running the wires down through the back pillar. This pillar right here, you see it? Everything back here. And that way we had all the wires and put all this fucking mess back how it was. Ya me estoy arrepintiendo la verga. It looks like a bunch of fucking work, but it is what it is. We're gonna be, it's part of the process, you know what I'm saying? You look, it might look ugly, but at the end of the fucking road, the bitch is gonna look cool. So yeah, let me go ahead and prep the headliner. Headliner's back here. Look at that, guys. Headliner's back there. The motherfucker have about 1,000 stars on that bitch. So yeah, but in the meantime, we're done with the truck. Now we're just gonna do the headliner, lights, action, and time to get nasty in here. I'm just playing.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Alright, you guys, we have the headliner here. Now the way I like to do it is, since we're gonna be doing 1,000, we're gonna spread them evenly. So the line you're gonna see right here, you're gonna spread them 500 that way, 500 this way. Now once you have all your dots here lined up, spreading evenly, and over here you have your dots spread evenly, then you'll start poking holes. Make sure you grab something not too thick to poke your holes, because if not, you're gonna have a big ass hole on your ceiling. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. So let me mock everything up. That way you guys can see all my holes, and then we'll start poking them. We have all the holes mocked up. Now we're gonna poke them, and after we poke them, we're gonna X them all out, make sure they're all poked. Alright, what's up, guys? Basically, we're not even halfway done. It's been an hour.
Tengo frío, bro.
It's not cold, bro. Pero ya me harté la verga. Ya me harté la verga, bro. I'm tired. I ain't even halfway done. I'm not even done with the first strip. I still got the other strip to go. But I lied when I said it might take me take 2 hours. This one might take me 2 days. My back hurts. I'm old.
It's 90 degrees outside.
90 degrees out fucking side. I'm in pajamas. Can't feel my nutsack no more.
A ver.
2 hours later, probably 2 days later, I might be done. Not even gonna lie, bro. It's harder than it seems. That's why motherfuckers don't want to do it. That's why I don't want to do it. But I was bored. I said I had it. This is for the cat eye. But yeah, I mean, almost got this side done. Sight? No, I don't. I can't even see no more, bro. The thing about this, I can't even see the holes anymore. But yeah, if you have patience, this is for you. If you don't have patience, to have somebody do it, because I'm about to crash out, literally.
Hey, for the right price, we'll do it.
For the right price, hey, $700.
Maybe, yeah, $700 per.
$1 per star.
Yeah, so $1,000, $1,000.
Yeah, $1,000 right here.
$1,000 right here.
I feel like 1,000 is too much for a single cab.
Explain what you're doing.
Well,
Other than nothing.
other than nothing. Basically, we're prepping for Atlanta truck invasion.
We are?
Yeah.
We're going?
Yeah. Maybe.
Dude.
We might not even, because the couple years we've been to Atlanta truck invasion, we always got the vendor all the way inside to where you see everybody there and it gets all crowded. This year we're not doing that. This year we're just getting gold spot. That's what it's called. Gold crew parking. This time we're just basically going as a crew. We're not going as a vendor, but I'm gonna steal so much. I'm gonna fuck.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm gonna fuck. If I get kicked out, I'll get kicked out again. If I kicked out, I'll get kicked out. Fuck it. It's nothing new to me. I like doing hood rat shit.
Where we from, bro?
We're from York, South Carolina. We don't go by rules, bro. We go by, if you go to jail, you go to jail. If you don't, then you don't. You know what I'm talking about? Now, I did drop my last video I dropped was me dropping my truck.
Weak ass truck.
I did drop the fuck out of it. Nah, I ain't dropped the fuck out. I gave it a stable drop so it don't look weird.
No, you didn't.
And the next video should be dropping the whole shit. But I'm not doing that quite yet because I still need parts such as lower control. Well, not but the shock relocation shit. I still need shackles.
I got you, bro. I got one.
I still need blocks. I still need motivation, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I feel like the last truck I actually worked on was my red truck like this. I did everything on the red truck. Now I want to pay people to do some shit to my truck.
Cause we rolling in bread like that.
Nah.
No, okay, never mind. We get 4 chicken nuggets from McDonald's.
Also, we're gonna be swapping the HD front end. If you don't know how to do that, then we're gonna show you how to do that. Well, not a swap HD front end. We're putting a grill on a NNBS.
Cause I don't know how.
Cause he doesn't know how. You literally about 10 millimeter bolts. Some fucking, get some pliers to clamp the, what the fuck is it called?
The clips?
The clips. Squeeze the clips, take it out. That's it. Guys, y'all probably won't get this video till, what's tomorrow, Friday?
Valentine's Day.
Tomorrow, Valentine's, fuck. I'll get fucked double. Well, if I have it done right, I'll pick the camera up and show you. But if I don't, fuck you. You know what I'm talking about? You're not gonna watch it. I'm not gonna show you how to do it.
Nobody watches.
Nobody watches it.
We fell off.
Fell off real bad. Yeah, we fell off real bad. I feel like there's no more taquaches out there.
Truck's kind of dead.
Yeah. God, taquaches died. They went extinct, literally. But yeah. Stay tuned for this progress. Just chill out on me. Yeah. Need to make up time.
Hurry up!
But shut up, bruh. One by one, bruh. I gotta do 1,000 of these bitches. But yeah, bruh. Stay tuned. I low-key want to drop what's it called? Those crew meets I used to do. Everybody dead. So everybody either broke down, dead, or their truck just weak as hell. Chucho. But yeah. If you don't know who Chucho is, this is Chucho. Just insert it. That's Chucho. Little kid. He didn't even graduate middle school.
Bruh.
That's
literally little bro.
That's D Kane's cousin.
Kane Jr.
I really don't have much to say other than watch me do this shit.
Uncut. This is it.
This is it. I ain't even gonna edit this bitch. So y'all gonna watch me do this shit. You poke it in, you poke it in, you poke it in, poke it in, poke it in. When she said just a tip.
Can you do this, bro? I don't even want to do too much right now.
Nah, bro, this shit. And yours is a extended cab.
Oh hell no.
Imagine y'all, I'm doing this on a single cab. Imagine those 4-door guys.
Hey, next video we're doing mine.
Fuck that shit, bro. You wanna do yours? We're doing 300. That's what some people.
That shit gonna look like stars with light pollution.
That's what some people do, bruh. 300 on the single cab. Normally 300, 500 at the most on a single cab.
I'm gonna get double 1,000, man.
Nah, on my red one I did 1,000. I don't know why.
You stupid.
Exactly, bruh.
Uncut, bro. Uncut.
Uncut. Bro, you see the bottom? Look at the bottom, bro. Yeah, don't matter, but what the hell? Bunch of spaghetti in that bitch.
We need a new battery.
I need a new battery?
Yeah,
they're all dead, bro. So, cut! What's up, y'all? Update. I've not advanced one fucking bit. Ya es noche, ya se oscureció.
It's 3 a.m. right now.
3 in the fucking morning right now. We're still hustling, bro. Alright, guys. Basically, we're tightening everything back up. Headliners back in. That's literally just the final product on how you want it. As you can see, everything looks nice, everything looks good. We were like, a bunch of you said that the original fabric headliner would, well, you could probably see the holes on the headliner because I poked them. You can't see shit, bro. Quit fucking lying, bro. You don't know what the fuck that is, bro. But that's how it came out. I'm gonna wait till the night to cut them up because I'm gonna need some help. So basically at night, I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the truck. But it came out super fire, super simple. The box is back there. Where's it at? Back there. So it's hidden behind this pillar, and it fit like a dream. It fit like a dream, bro. So the pillar's back there. All we gotta do is just slap everything back on and call it a day. And that is how you save yourself another goddamn. People probably charge you about $1,000 to do that shit, but if you do it, you ain't got nothing to worry about. What the hell? I'm about to break. Oh hell no. This makes no sense. Oh, this might be on the other side. Fuck, I'm yapping about. Hey guys, so we got the headliner in. Got my camera back rolling. What we're gonna be doing now is cutting all these wires, so I can see. Yeah, I kind of got started right here, but damn, bro, I got tired. You really don't need any special tools other than corta uñas, bro. Corta uñas, snip, snip, fuga, bro. So I'm gonna fuck. Okay. That's the last one. Oh, honey. That shit look clean. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, turn post notification on for new updates and stuff. This was one of my to-do lists. Honestly, I was overdue on this stuff, bro. I just had this laying for about 6 months in my damn garage, and I just never got to it until one day I said, you know what, fuck, let's do it. You know what I'm talking about? A lot of you guys want to know, where do I hide the little cable box, the little box that basically controls all these lights. That motherfucker's right here. Y'all can see a little light right here. It's behind this panel. Literally from up here, you can kind of see the lights back here, right here. But the box is right here, and it's connected with the fuse. The fuse is right, well, not fuse, but like the cigarette port. It's right there. So yeah, guys. Hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, subscribe, like I said, turn post notifications on. Stay tuned for the next upload, and we'll see y'all later.